In this video, you'll learn how to delete a contact from Calendly. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your contacts effectively and keep your scheduling. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once the page loads, you will see the home page with options to sign in or create an account. If you are not already signed in, click the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page, enter your credentials and proceed to access your account. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. Here you will find various options related to your scheduling activities. Click on Contacts to view your list of saved contacts. This section displays all the individuals you have previously added for scheduling purposes. Once you're on the contacts page, scroll through the list to locate the specific contact you wish to delete. Click on the name of that contact to open their details. This action will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage information related to that contact, including upcoming meetings and notes. Next, look for the edit icon, which resembles a pencil and is typically located towards the top right of the contact details page. Click this icon to enter the editing mode for the selected contact. This step is necessary to access the deletion option, ensuring you are ready to manage the contact's information. After entering the edit mode, you will see various options related to the contact. Look for the delete button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will likely appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this contact. To finalize the process, confirm your decision by clicking on the Delete Contact button in the confirmation dialog. This action will remove the contact from your list permanently. Be aware that deleting a contact is irreversible, so ensure you truly want to proceed with this action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.